Welcome to my dance channel. It's called Dance Rocks. Today I'm going to teach you 3 dance moves. The first one is called Sashay. And then I'm going to make a combination at the end. A sashay, you start with any leg in front you feel like, and your arms are straight. If you start with your right foot, then you're going to have your left arm forward, and then your right arm up to the side. And if you're starting with your left foot, you're gonna have your left foot out, pointed, facing the ground again, with your right arm forward, straight, and your left arm to the side, straight. At the end, you also want to have the leg that you didn't start with in front behind, straight. I'm going to show you the other leg. The second one is called bourrée. So you can start with any leg to the side, pointed, with your arms out straight. If I were to come and push down your arms, it shouldn't move at all. It should be straight the whole time. So you can have back, and your arms are going to come in, and then when you step to the side, they're going to stay in, and then when you step in front, your arms are going to go straight out. Third one is called kicks. You're going to do your right leg kicks. You're going to start with your right leg sashay arms. You're going to kick and down, and then when you're going to the side, your arms are going to be out, like in the pas de bourrée, and it's kick out. And then when you are kicking to the back with your right leg, your arms are going to be like the left sashay, kick. I'd like to show you all 3 dance moves together. Please like and share this video. Bye!